Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today we're going to be installing the AlloyWorks 4-core radiator for the C3 Corvette. Guys, this thing is awesome. And thank you so much to AlloyWorks for sending it to me. I apologize, it's been a year in the making, but as y'all seen with the Corvette journey, it has there's been a lot going on. But we got it in, we're going to get it installed, and I'm going to get it partially hooked up. Hopefully all the way, we'll see. But let's get her going. All right, everybody, this is the AlloyWorks 4-core C3 Corvette radiator. This thing is a piece of art. It's all hand TIG welded, and it's done with the aircraft aluminum. And I'm going to try and get this cap here off so you can see how thick the aluminum is on that thing. I have one of these on my El Caballero, and it is phenomenal. Now these fans are going to be hooked up, and they will kick on with this little sensor right here. So when this thing hits about 170, 175, fans will kick on and keep it cool. We have our built-in transmission cooler. And I want to say thank you to AlloyWorks for sending this thing to me. It's a year in the making to get this video done. But we are going to get this thing installed and see how it fits. We have got some people that have showed up. Say hi, Austin.
Oh, hey, how's it going? The other Austin.
This is not Austin G, this is Austin Carr.
Yep.
And if you have not checked out his
on
YouTube, come on guys, he has got a sweet Ram charger that we've worked on the interior on.
Oh yeah.
And he's got a lift kit on it. He's got, so you got 2 steel bumpers with winches off of that burnt one.
Yep, so 2 steel bumpers off the burnt one that came from San Antonio. Randy was really nice to help us get that. Got that, took it all apart, and now it's going on my 87, so.
Oh man, that's going to be a sweet ride.
Oh yeah.
And we also have Delbert. Say hi, Delbert.
Nice to see y'all.
He doesn't have a YouTube yet, but you were talking about it last time I saw you.
Yeah, there's a lot of car channels out there, so I'm thinking of doing something other than car channels because it's pretty expensive right now to try to get into car channels.
Well, don't joke.
I do a lot of woodworking and stuff, build things, so I was thinking of doing something like that. Maybe I've got some old stuff. I want an old desk I tore apart. I want to build a shelf out of, so I might do that just to get started and see what happens.
Well, hey, you know the best way to start is to make your first video.
But I am a good half. Oh, did I say that? Sorry.
I am going to beep that. It's called a half house mechanic right here. There you go. All right, well, they are here. We're going to be working on the wiring on this AlloyWorks radiator. Okay, we was working on the Corvette, but somebody picked up a broom and started sweeping, and I want you to look what these two, look at them, look at them. Look what they have done. They have come in and rearranged and cleaned my shop. Oh my gosh. You can't beat friends like this, I tell you.
Not paid either.
Not paid, no, no.
You're doing the important stuff. We're just assisting.
What, I'm telling you what to do?
Not really. You're doing the important. You're working on the vet. You're doing the important stuff.
I stopped doing that and I've been helping y'all around.
You've been delegating where things go.
Gotcha.
Because we need that help.
Well, I tell you what, they've come in and jumped on the ball. All right, everybody, we got this thing in the car. As you can see, it fits right in there. Now, this thing was a little bit wider, so we had to do a little bit of cutting on this rubber right here to widen it out so it would be solid in the vehicle. Now, I have not wrapped up the wires yet. I've got them partially done. You can see each blue wire goes to each fan. The ground I put together in a common ground right down there underneath. I will have that all in loom, bringing it up to right here, and I'm going to bring the wires up and we're going to run them right underneath this fender edge. Come right around here, down to here. We've got our trigger wire right here to our sensor. This is going to go to the battery, or it's actually going to go to the starter and hook onto the one that comes straight from the battery. And this white one here is going to go to a ignition switch. Now then, I was going to get everything done on this and test out the fans and everything, but I ran out of solder. So we're going to have to end the video on this, but you can see how this is going to lay out. It's going to be pretty much hidden except for our relays right here. Now, when you get your fan, it's going to come with one relay. When you order the fan, go ahead and ask for another relay kit, because it is better to have a relay for each fan, and that way it takes some of the strain off of the relay. And you could also fix it to where, like I'm going to have an air conditioner on this eventually, and that way we could hook one fan up to the air conditioner and the other fan up to the thermometer switch, which, you know, 4-core radiator, one fan should keep it cool. You kick on the air conditioner, it kicks on both fans, get you more flow through your condenser. I mean, there's just many ways you can do it. They actually have a unit that you could hook on there where the fans come on slowly and kick on at a certain temperature. That way you're not having a complete draw with the fans. That would be a neat thing to put on. But we got our radiator in there. Thank you again to AlloyWorks. So the link to them will be in the description below. And guys, thank y'all so much for joining me on this journey on this Corvette. I cannot wait to have it driving. And that will be the next video, is it pulling out of the shop. So come join me then. We'll get her going. Thank you. Thank you very much. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.